Welcome to another video, guys. I'm doing a DVD menu walkthrough for Thomas and Friends Calling All Legends. This is the 2008 re-release by Hit Entertainment instead of To Entertain. So we have Play, which plays the 2005 movie. We have Select a Scene. We have the chapters. We've got Summer on Sodo, Timber Trouble, Thomas and Percy Play Tricks, The Storm and Aftermath, Steamies and Diesels Don't Talk, Thomas Arrives at the Bridge, Dream Sequences, Thomas Tells Mavis's Plan, Sodo Airport is Finished, and Timber Shed Surprise. Then we've got the songs. Busy, Trying to Do Things Better, Together We Made It Happen, and the Calling All Engines version of the Engine Roll Call. Then we've got Learn with Thomas, which is the learning segments. We have Diesel Engines and Steam Engines Are Different, Banana Tricks, What Engine for Which Job, Which Way Should Thomas Go, Thomas Looks for Mavis, and Which Diesel Engine with Which Steam Engine. Back to the main menu. Next we have extras. Which Things Are the Same, The Difference, and the Dream Song. Oh wait, there's more. We've got Biffed Again, Bert and Harry Tease Thomas, The Windmill, those are deleted scenes, and the Days Up with Thomas preview. And finally, we have subtitles, which, as per usual, with Thomas staring at you in a creepy way, it's on and off. So that's my DVD menu walkthrough for Thomas and Friends Calling All Engines, the 2008 re-release. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, Thomas, you have caused confusion and delay.